Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to clone a website in WordPress. So guys, in order for you to do that, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your site. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to the plugins over here on the left side. And from here, just simply search for WPVvid. And from here, as you can see, you should be able to see something like this one, migration backup and staging. So click on this. So guys, I won't be able to show you since I'm just using the free version now, but if you do, just simply follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So guys, you have to upgrade your account in order for you to proceed with this tutorial. So from here, just simply click on install, and after that, just simply click on activate, and it will redirect you to the plugin. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and select database plus files, and make sure to save backup to local, and you should be able to see there the backup now button, a big blue box. And from there, once you have back it up, just simply go ahead and go to your other site, and from there, guys, just simply go to the plugin as well. Just simply go to the plugin and go for the WPV Vid Backup plugin. And from there, guys, just simply scroll down and go to the upload category. You should be able to see two things over there, the backup and upload. So just simply go to upload, and from there, guys, just simply upload your downloaded file over there, and just simply click on upload. And from there, guys, once you have done that, just simply go scroll down again and go to the backup category, and from there you should be able to see a button there, restore. So click on that, and from there just simply go ahead and click on restore again. It will be a red box, and from there just simply click on OK, and once it is done, just simply click on OK again, and from there just simply sign in into your account again, and you should be able to clone it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.